potential energy of a magnetic dipole in a magnetic field. Consider a magnetic dipole is placed in uniform magnetic field B. Let this magnetic dipole makes angle theta with magnetic field. Now, torque acting on a magnetic dipole tau equal to mb sin theta. Due to this torque, this magnetic dipole will try to rotate along the direction of magnetic field. If this dipole is rotated against this torque, we have to do some work, and this work will be stored in the form of potential energy in this system. Let the dipole, this magnetic dipole, is rotated by angle d theta. Then work done dW equal to tau into d theta. That is dW equal to mb sin theta d theta. Now work done to rotate this magnetic dipole from angle theta 1 to theta 2 is given as W equal to integral dW theta 1 to theta 2 mb sin theta d theta. Now work done equal to mb theta 1 theta 2 sin theta. This work done equal to mb minus cos theta, integration of sin theta is minus cos theta, theta 1 to theta 2. This work done equal to minus mb cos theta 1 to theta 2. Now work done equal to minus mb cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. This work done will be stored in the form of potential energy in this system, that is U equal to minus mb cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. When theta 1 equal to 90 degree, in that case cos 90 will be 0 and potential energy of the system will be 0, and therefore when theta 1 equal to 90 and theta 2 equal to theta, U equal to minus mb cos theta, that is U equal to minus m dot b. Now we are going to discuss some special cases. Now U equal to minus mb cos theta, when theta equal to 0, U equal to minus mb. Now in this case potential energy will be minimum and magnetic dipole moment will parallel to the magnetic field, that is ये जो पार मैग्नेट है वो इस तरीके से शिफ्ट हो जाएगी, एंड दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज स्टेबल इक्विलिब्रियम. Right? In stable equilibrium, what happens? Theta is 0 and potential energy is minimum, and magnetic dipole moment becomes parallel to the external magnetic field. Now, next case. When theta equal to 90 degree, potential energy will be 0. Now, third case. Now, when theta equal to 180 degree, u equal to minus mb cos 180, and this will be equal to the mb. That is, in this case, potential energy will be positive, it will be maximum, and magnetic dipole moment of this bar magnet will be anti-parallel to the मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. जैसे कि नॉर्थ पोल इधर हो जाएगा, साउथ पोल उधर चला जाएगा. एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज अनस्टेबल equilibrium. Okay. Now these were all the three cases. Now thank you.